Two business credit card titans, Chase Inc. Business Cash and Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards, face off in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, the Inc. Business Cash, built to maximize everyday business spend. And on the right, the B of A Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards, designed for flexible cash back tailored to your needs. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each core feature earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's the mind map for today's showdown. We're looking at a bunch of angles. Annual fee, always got to check. Welcome bonus, the shiny deal up front. How much cash back you really get. Spending caps, how flexible the rewards actually are. Travel and international perks, how they handle employee cards and controls, and, the special perks or bonuses unique to each. Got it? Perfect. Let's roll through the first category. All right, starting off with annual fee. I mean, let's be real. Nobody wants to pay for a business card if you can avoid it. Chase Inc. Business Cash, it's got $0 annual fee, which is like chef's kiss, right? B of A Customized Cash Rewards, same thing. No annual fee. So if you're worried about sneaky charges, you're good on both fronts. And honestly, this one's just a tie. Next up, welcome offer. So let's talk Chase first. The Inc. Business Cash throws down with a pretty eye-popping $750 bonus. But hang on, a catch. You got to spend $6,000 in the first 3 months. Not impossible, but definitely not pocket change. Now, B of A comes in with $300 after $3,000 spent in 90 days. Easier to reach, for sure, but like $300 versus $750? That's a wow for Chase, even if the bar is higher. I gotta say, the winner here's clearly Inc. Business Cash. Alrighty, cash back structure. This part gets spicy. With Chase, you're getting 5% back on stuff like office supplies, internet, cable, phone, basically the everyday business bills, up to $25,000 a year, plus 2% at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% on everything else. But those bonus rates cut off at $25K per category. With B of A, you can pick any one major category, think gas, office, travel, tech, for 3% back. And you can change it every month, which honestly is super cool if your expenses jump around. You get 2% at restaurants and 1% everywhere else. The caps are actually bigger, $50,000. Flexibility is awesome. But overall, that 5% from Chase is hard to beat when you're all about maximizing regular spend. I'm going to give the win to Chase Inc. Business Cash here. Quick side note, did you know that with B of A Customized Cash, you can actually change your 3% category every single month? So if your spending shifts, just flip it. That kind of flexibility, pretty rare on a business card. Now, speaking of spending caps, let's zoom in. Chase? You get those sweet cashback rates up to $25,000 on bonus categories per year. For most small businesses, that's probably fine. But if you're spending big, you'll hit that ceiling fast. Meanwhile, B of A, they give you twice the wiggle room, $50,000 per year before you drop down to the basic 1% rate. So if you've got a lot of spend running through your card, B of A is more forgiving. So B of A takes the win here. Let's talk about how flexible these rewards actually are when it's time to redeem. So for Chase Inc. Business Cash, you can take your cash back, use it for travel, shop, buy gift cards, even transfer points to Ultimate Rewards partners. Honestly, that's legit flexibility, and the redemption process is pretty easy. One downside, those foreign transaction fees. So it's not your go-to for international travel. Now, B of A's redemption, it's all right. Statement credit, check, or deposit. If you're part of their preferred rewards program, you can score up to 75% more, but no transferring to airlines or extra fancy options. Also, a lot of folks find the system kind of clunky. So Chase pretty obviously wins this one. All right, next, travel and international perks. So neither card is exactly going to blow your mind here. Chase does give some basic travel protections, purchase protection, extended warranty, rental collision waiver, but those foreign transaction fees, you don't want this on a trip abroad. B of A, honestly, falls even flatter. Limited travel perks and no sweet partnerships for redemption. Both are kind of meh for Globetrotters. This round, total tie. Moving on to employee cards and controls. Both of these cards do the same thing here. Free employee cards, basic expense controls, tracking features. If you've got a team, you're good either way. So, straight up, another tie. Special perks. Let's dig in. Chase gives you the usual. Purchase protection, fraud monitoring, nothing super flashy. With B of A, though, here's a biggie. If you're eligible for preferred rewards for business, you can boost your cash back by up to 75%. Only catch, you gotta have some serious deposits with B of A. So, not for everyone, but if you qualify, that's a juicy perk. Honestly, gotta hand it to B of A for this round. So, taking a look at our radar chart, it's pretty clear. Inc. Business Cash is your go-to for traditional cashback power and easy redemption, especially if you spend big in office, telecom, or restaurant categories. B of A Customized Cash Rewards starts to shine with higher spending caps and customizable bonus categories, and that Preferred Rewards perk can be a total game changer, assuming you're deep in the B of A ecosystem. All right, bottom line, if your business spends heavy at office supply stores, on phone and internet bills, or restaurants, and you want to maximize every dollar, Chase Inc. Business Cash should be your move. But if you've got higher overall spend, want more flexibility to change your top earning category, or you're already banking with B of A and qualify for those preferred rewards multipliers, the B of A Customized Cash Rewards might just be the better sidekick for your business. So, both solid cards, but the winner here, in most situations, is Chase Inc. Business Cash. Got a unique spending pattern at your business? Drop a comment or reach out. Let us know your biggest spend areas, and we'll help you find the perfect business credit card